this will either be an epic success or an epic fail. It's at least cranking over. Got to give it a little prime. Give me a minute. Use our Amazon link down below. When you do, it helps us out and it doesn't cost you a penny more. And after using the link, save it to your bookmarks so you can have easy access to it in the future. Thank you. Okay, I'm going to pour a little bit of gas into the carburetor throat. See what happens. It seems like the battery's fine. You can hear it. If I put gas in there and it kind of wants to start and then it doesn't maintain, then that probably means the gas is bad. It's been in there since January, 7 months. And if it doesn't do that, then maybe it's just not getting spark. But I can't understand why it wouldn't be getting spark. It fired up in January. Hang on a minute. Again, this will either be really good or it'll be really good for video. As long as you mark your container that you're going to put it in, this is an aluminum container, mark it fuel, should be okay. Just a little. Okay, spark is good because it ignited. Poured some fuel in now, and then it didn't keep going. So either the fuel's bad or I'm just not getting fuel to the carburetor from the fuel line. Bad filter? If you're still with me and you want to comment below, give me your thoughts. What do you think? For right now, I am going to put a little more fuel down the throat. Try to get that thing going. Just about a teaspoon. sometimes you just gotta mow the lawn. All right, well, yeah, complete fail, huh? That's what happens. I think it might be just a dirty filter. You know, with time, fuel will kind of lacquer up a little bit, and it might be getting into the, it's in the fuel filter, and it might have just got all gunked up and it just won't pass fuel. I don't have a new filter to put in line. It did start up, so it's getting spark. It will fire up. There was plenty of oil, all that stuff. If you guys have experience with those things, hang on a minute. Nothing like salty water a second time. If you guys have experience with sit-down mowers like that, the Craftsman, that's a Briggs & Stratton engine. Yeah, 99% sure. The more I think about it, I don't think it is. If you have experience, let me know. Give me your thoughts. I'm gonna stick with, at least for now, until I hear from you. Please, I'm serious. Let me know in the comments down below. I'm gonna stick with, though, until I hear from you, clog fuel filter. Yeah, so that's the convenience of the electric lawnmower. The problem is, when I first bought that sit-down mower, I figured, it would be fun. We didn't have the chicken coop and the tool shed and all that when we first moved in. And so just to get the thing mowed, that would be easy. And Shootin' Kid was really a proponent of that. He said, let's do a sit-down mower.
God, that was fast.
And he loved it too. He liked sitting on it and mowing around and kicking back like he's on the big tractor. Hey there, tractor driver. How'd you do?
Is he good?
It's fun. But that is one of the problems. If you're not always on it, you have problems like this. And all I wanted to do was mow the back lawn. So the Ryobi wins today. But when I get that thing fixed, all right, I gotta go. Again, leave comments. Don't forget to share and like and pull the trigger on the subscribe button, all that kind of stuff. Because when you do, and when you use my links down below, it'll put food on the table. It helps. Thank you in advance, okay? That's it. God bless you. God bless America. May America bless God. I'll see you on the next video. Over there. Over there. Now I gotta go put the mower away.